Hello, this is Helen Quinn. Otherwise, I'm calling myself now as a virtual teaching assistant because I plan on doing lots and lots of short videos just on little helpful things I think might help parents and children during the lockdown, and it helps to keep me busy. My first one's going to be on adverbs and adverbials. This is a request I've had, so hopefully it'll be no longer than 4 minutes and you will know more by the end of the clip. Okay. First, the adverbs, the clue is in the name. It's an adjective and a verb squished together. So the adjective is the describing word and a verb is a doing or an action word. Okay, many adverbs end in ly, but not all of them. And they can be at the start, middle or the end of a sentence. For example, in a very simple sense, Mrs. Smith turned around slowly. So my verb there is turned, my adverb is slowly. Slowly, Mrs. Smith turned around, and notice there I've got it at the front, so I do need a comma after it. Or Mrs. Smith slowly turned around. All saying the same thing, using the same adverb in different places. Adverbs are used to describe how, when, how often or where something's being done. So I've just shown some examples there in the table, however there are many more. Okay. The examples I've given there is I am going to run away, which is obviously the where example. Mrs. Smith is constantly talking, which is the how often example. Or I walk my dogs daily. Again, that's the how often example. Okay, now to get on to adverbials. What's important to remember is every adverb is an adverbial. Okay, but not every adverbial is an adverb. That will make more sense on the next screen. Okay. Adverbials are words that are used to describe or provide more information to modify verbs. So remember, the verbs are those doing words or the action words. You have adverbial phrases. So this is when you use a group of words to add more detail about the verb. The general rule of thumb is 2 or more words. Okay. So here I've just shown some examples. I've just used the same very simple sentence, I will run. And I've put, I will run like the wind, wishful thinking. I will run in the hills. I will run this in under 30 minutes. So again, I will run like the wind is showing you the how. I will run in the hills is showing you the where. I will run this in under 30 minutes is showing you the when. Adverbial clauses, okay? This is when the detail about the verb follows a subordinate conjunction. And again, I've only given a few examples there, but again, there are many more subordinate conjunctions. If you do a simple search on the internet for subordinate conjunction, you'll find them. So the resource is there for you. Okay, again, I've used the same example of I will run. All right, so I will run when the sun comes up. I will run if you will run with me. Until my legs can no longer carry me, I will run. Now note there again, the one that I've done at the front, my adverbial clause at the front, has a comma after it, okay? And as you can see here, I've done in red all my subordinate conjunctions. Last but not least, fronted adverbials. It's where the adverbial phrase or the adverbial is at the start of the sentence, so it's coming before the verb. And you will have picked up now that my verb we're using in this one is run. So, as soon as I can, comma, I will run. Utterly overwhelmed, I will run. Courageously, I will run. Okay, so hopefully this does clear up things for you. I know it's a very short tutorial, but what you asked for really is examples, and I'm hoping this has helped. I really don't want to overload people, but if you do want more information, please don't hesitate to contact me. Leave me a couple of comments, just let me know your thoughts, good or bad, and I can improve on them from there. Really hope you've enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, please like and share. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.